This video is the first part of Sam's Tricks User's Manual. It will cover the app's main feature, tricks. A trick is a series of 10 questions with randomly generated values from a base formula. When you log in, you can find tricks recommended to you on the left section of the homepage. Each card represents a trick. Clicking on a card opens a modal giving you a short tutorial on how to best deal with this trick. To start the trick, simply click the try button and, after a short countdown, the first question will appear. Let's have a quick look around the interface. Here is the question. This is the keypad to enter your answer. This bar represents the time remaining to answer the question. Here is the current score for this question, which is proportional to the time left. And finally, this is your total score, which is the sum of the scores on all the questions you have done. You have a limited amount of time to answer each question. If you give a wrong answer, the app lets you know and you can try again as long as you have some time left. If you fail to answer the question before the end of the time, the app shows you the correct answer and then starts the next question. If you answer correctly, you gain points and can move on to the next question. If you are on a computer, you can also type your answer using the keyboard. For advanced tricks and challenges, there are a handful of keyboard shortcuts which we will cover in a separate video. At the end of the trick, you can see a summary of your performance, as well as updates. Most importantly, you are awarded a rating which goes from 0 to 5 stars based on your total score. The app records all your performances and adds up the rating of your 3 best performances for each trick to make your star count. Your total star count is displayed at the top of the screen next to your avatar. Each trick can contribute up to 15 stars to the star count. The progress for each individual trick is shown on the trick card, so you know which ones to work on. Tricks are organized together into tracks. A track is a set of tricks which share a common theme. On the homepage of the site, a few tracks are recommended to you. If you'd like to see more, simply open the menu and navigate to the tricks page. There you will find all the tricks available on the site. You can search through them by title, or if you want a better organized listing, head off to the tracks page where you will see all these tricks put together by theme. There, you can find at a glance all the topics covered in Sam's Tricks, from the 4 basic operations to powers, fractions, and even some algebra. As you can imagine, some tricks are more difficult than others. To indicate this, you will find a small dot on the tricks card as well as a label on the tricks modal. These indicators are dynamic, meaning that they will change according to your performances on similar tricks. Finally, if you find a trick particularly difficult, you can allow yourself to have some extra time to solve it. The Extra Time button is right next to the Try button on the tricks modal. You can add up to 45 seconds per question to train on any trick. Obviously, performances with extra time will not count towards your smile count, but you can use them to get better at a trick, eventually solving it normally. This concludes the video about tricks and stars. Thank you for watching it. If you want to learn more about Sam's Tricks, check out the second video of the user's manual, which will tell you all about challenges and smiles.